going to do an unboxing with this the Meal Plan UAE. So kaka-deliver lang nito kani-kanina. And I'm eating my brunch. Ayan, pinagsabay ko na yung breakfast and lunch dahil ano na siya, mid na siya. So, by the way guys, if you are going to order this the meal plan, it's only for 999 dirhams. But using my code QUEEN5, you can get 5% discount if you want to order, 'di ba? Hassle-free na rin siya. And ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga nilalaman niya. So, bale, sa isang linggo makaka-receive kayo ng 2 beses. You will receive Sunday and Wednesday. And today is Wednesday, guys. Kaya bubuksan natin what is inside. So, are you ready, guys? Ayan. So, by the way guys, yung box niya is very nice. It's a purple color. And talagang safely sealed siya dahil pag binuksan nyo to, hindi to puno. As for your 3 days meal, breakfast, lunch, dinner. So, ayan. Upon opening guys, you will see, ayun, bawas na ng isa. Dahil kinakain ko kanina pa. Ayan, I eat this homemade beef cutlet with vegetables. Sobrang sarap nitong grilled potato nila. And yung mga veggies. So, syempre, ayan, ang day 1 breakfast niya is this one, cheesy potato casserole with yogurt. Ayan, tingnan nyo naman guys, very clean and very easy to prepare. Kung kayo talaga yung mga tipong ayaw nyo na ng routine ng pagluluto, this is really good for you guys. Diba? Lalo na dun sa mga busy sa work nila. Pumapatak lang siya ng 13 dirhams per meal. Diba? Very nice. So, this one is cheesy potato casserole with yogurt. So, cheesy potato. Look, this one is the cheesy potato. And day 2 breakfast nila guys is sausage and beans. Ayan, sausage with and beans to. So, yan. Tanggalin nyo lang yung plastic, guys. Ipasok nyo sa microwave. 1 to 2 minutes, ready to eat na. Day 3 breakfast nila is evergreen frittata with toast. Ayan. Ito yung evergreen frittata nila. Ito yung toast bread nila. So, by the way, guys, this is shelf life is 5 days. So, 5 days nyo ito ma-consume. Kung halimbawa, minsan, kagaya ngayon, day 1, hindi ko nakain yung breakfast kasi nag-brunch ako. So, pwede pa to sa mga susunod na araw hanggang 5 araw. And day 1 nila guys na lunch is yung, okay, papakita ko na lang dyan yung picture. Ayan. So, ang day 2 na lunch ay fish. Grilled rosemary fish with ratatouille and grilled mushroom. Ayun. So, this is the fish and this is the grilled mushroom. Lunch, ay, tama. Day 2, tama. Day 3 lunch, guys, ay magra-rice kayo. This is Thai coconut lime chicken with jasmine rice and roasted herb veggies. Ayan. Thai coconut lime chicken. Tapos may pa-rice and veggies. Meron ding zucchini. Okay? And for the dinner, guys, ang day 1 nila is couscous. Ayan, healthy buttered chicken with couscous peas and carrots. So, this is the healthy buttered chicken. Ayan. So, alam nyo, kung ano yung ingredients na ginamit, nakalagay na rin dito. It is very neat and very clean talaga. Yung packaging niya, talagang, alam nyo yun, kahit dalhin nyo sa office for your lunch or kung saan kayo nagtatrabaho. It's really nice and good. Day 2 dinner is biryani. Ooh, chicken biryani. I think Rodney will going to love this. Really, really. So, ayan, chicken biryani, guys. Chicken biryani. May pa chicken biryani sila. And next, day 3 dinner is teriyaki minced turkey with broccoli and baked potatoes. Ayan. That's the dinner. So, yan lahat yung laman nitong box ng meal plan. Makaka-receive kayo niyan twice a week. And ready na yung inyo. Ang gagawin nyo na lang is ilagay nyo na lang sa fridge nyo. And that's it. So, if you want a healthy lifestyle, no hassle talaga sa pagluluto, lalo na sa mga busy yung schedule, I really recommend this, the Meal Plan UAE, para sa inyong lahat. So, what are you waiting for? Use my code to get a special discount, Queen5. Bye everyone!